everyone, it's Koneko here, and today's video is going to be a haul video from the shop Uwowo. Their AliExpress store recently had a huge sale and my husband surprised me with some cosplays from their shop. Before I get into the video, if you are new here and haven't already, please consider becoming a part of this magical and pastel online family by clicking the subscription button down below. I would also like to mention that I have started to stream again on Twitch. My new Twitch though is Koneko Cosplays. I wanted to keep all my cosplay stuff together, as I might also live stream some of the cosplays I'm making, some different crafts, anything related to cosplay really, including dressing in cosplay and playing video games. I am no expert on video games, but I do enjoy playing them and having fun, and I know that some of my viewers right now who interact a lot mention that they just enjoy, you know, watching others have fun play video games, so hopefully that goes over well. I have made it all the way to affiliate and am working towards becoming a partner, so you can just follow if you'd like to join in my live streams or subscribe to help me out, see past videos, etc. I also have a giveaway going on. 3, they all just need a follow on Twitch to be entered in. 2 of them need a repost on Instagram, and the big one is on Rafflecopter, and I'll leave the Rafflecopter link in the description box below. Okay, now let's get into the haul of items, what this video is actually about. So it didn't come in this plastic container. My husband put it all in here because it came in 2 bags, and then they're all in little bags. And was that a cat? I can't tell. This box is too big. Alright, so I haven't seen anything that's in here in person. I've seen some of the stuff online. Oh! Ooh, it looks like Constellation Nozomi Love Live, and another cat is like right up, just sleeping right there, you know, because that's why wouldn't he sleep right there while I'm filming? Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. The boobs are fuzzy. Oh my gosh, pieces are falling. So this looks like one of her hair ties. Then we have her dress part, and see what I mean? It's fuzzy right here. And the detailing, and it's constellation, so look at all the stars. Well, there's little speckles, and then there's these button stars. And it's like a cape in the back. The other hair tie, I believe these are boot covers. Oh, the little hat. I'll have to iron that out maybe. It's not that bad. Ooh, it looks good with this wig. And these, I believe, are the arm sleeves. I will piece everything together after looking at the photo to make sure I don't wear it wrong, and then I will either insert video clips or at least photos. Oh, cute! So this is Sagiri's sweater and her little hair clips. I'm so glad it came with the hair clips actually, because I have really crappy ones that I made with ribbon. Ooh, bows! So there's like a really big bow and then some little bows for her hair. Are they all for her hair? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. I know she has like the 2 here and then 2 here, but where does the big one go in the back? It's been a while since I watched this. And then of course her sweater. So now I can draw all the waifus. Who are you? You look like you might be a Love Live thing. Can I remember what one? Rico? Is this for Rico? I think this one's for Rico. I am very new to the Love Live fandom. So, confirmation, it is Rico. Okay, so bobby pin, super small. I didn't realize it was gonna fall. All cute little gloves. What is this? School Idol Festival. It's a little pin. Just wear this like on a bag. That is so cute. It's like a little embroidery. That is precious. It just has like a little pin thingy in the back. So one glove is blue and one is red on the edge trim there. Necktie. Ooh, jacket. Fancy jacket. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, shoulder pads. To make it sit upright. That is cute. Oh, so precious. Oh, I love the little star details. Here is the top. And the skirt. Look how cute this is. It's just like a plaid freaking skirt. So cute. Super, super good quality. When I try everything on as well, I'll mention like how the fit is. Everything's a small except for two things are a medium. Here's one of them! My explosion! So Megumin from Konosuba. I just, you know, gonna assume I'm saying things right these days. Oh my gosh, this hat. Oh, how am I gonna get, okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna need to iron this. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Hello? This is so cute. Oh, I just need to find the wigs for these girls. Yeah, these are supposed to be in the front. Oops. I think I had it on backwards. I need to give that some lovin' anyways. Oh, I love Megumin. I've been wanting to wear her forever. Here is her fabulous cape. Yeah, it's just a cape that goes over the shoulders. No sleeves or anything. Ooh, nice like suede trim. Here are the socks tied together. That's not typically how I tie my socks together, but that's okay. So when I saw that it had the pattern on the leg, like on the stocking, I thought that was perfect. Thigh-high little sockies. I usually like fold them in like this. Boot covers, very bright orange. Gloves. They were also wrapped together in a little bundle, but they stayed together that way. Ooh, eye patch and belt maybe? And some plastic straps to help keep stuff up. Those are always good. This might be for, okay, so there's a belt for sure. It's got like a big belt thing here. And it's brown. And then necklace? I think this is her choker necklace, if I'm remembering correctly. Okay, so her eye patch, it's got like clear straps on it so you can't see it, and then like you can tie it. Ow. Ah, my eyelash. This might be a costume where if I'm wearing the eye patch, I only put on one big eyelash. And then we have the main part, which is her dress. Should be long sleeve dress. Yeah, and this one is one of the mediums. Super cute. Oh, it has little clasps here, I think, because you can clasp the cape right onto the dress so that it kind of moves together and doesn't fall off. Okay, 2 more costumes. The next one is another Konosuba character, and that is Aqua. Wow, I just got punched in the side by a cat. So Aqua, and I think it's just my 2 Konosuba characters that I still need to find wigs for. I might be able to get away with using Uravity's wig for Megumin, but like not really, because Megumin's like is more spiky and stuff. Like I wouldn't want to cut the other wig either. So, but like maybe for like a cause test of it. Cute, cute, cute top. Whoa, that is nice. Nice. That looks like a water droplet. That's so pretty. Water magic. It has like this stretchy backing, and it looks like there should be ribbon that you will put in the back to tighten it. And here we have, woo, some arm sleeves. How does she put her things together? These usually tend to be arm sleeves or like for your thigh. So we have these look like her arm sleeves, these longer ones, and then these I believe are for the thigh. Does she have white boots? Oh, okay, so these will look like the top of socks and then you have boots on. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! So this looks like, yeah, so it clips right into like the wig that I don't have yet. This looks like and feels like those balls from the ball pits. Oh, here's my boots. So the other part were socks, and then these are the boot covers. Well, my camera got cut off there. All right, so this last part of it is the skirt. It's kind of feels like a suede type material, and it has this thin material underneath to give it a bit of foof, floof, whatever you want to call it. And the last costume is my Valentine Yoshiko cosplay. So this bag is full of accessories for her. I'm definitely gonna have to, this is a strap for something. Might be the strap for the outfit in general. It looks like a sleeve strap. I'm gonna have to look at where all these little things go. This looks like it fits only on my wrist. Like it's only gonna go on my wrist. Lots of red ribbon thigh piece. Here's another attachment for her outfit. It's a donut. And then there's like a little pocket watch over here, and a flower with a heart, and a huge stabby thing so that I could pin it onto the costume. And then it says Aqua on it. And here are some, ooh, stuck. Some clips. I don't remember. I will get it all sorted when I put it on. It's just like my Fairy Katori cosplay. There's so many flower pieces, and I'm just like, even though I've seen the costume and how it's put on, how other people put it on, and I put it on, I still forget. Like I was looking at it the other day and I'm like, what's this piece for? So that's all the little accessories that were in this bag. Ooh. Here's her bonnet. This clips right into the wig. Oh, this is... I could be little Bo Peep with this wig. Oh. Ah! Here are arm pieces. Again, I believe. It's always interesting when you see a character and it looks like she's wearing a dress, but it comes in a few different pieces, which is typical, like for when you're creating it, taking it from anime to making it into a costume. But the belt piece, there's a zipper on the side, there's a stretchy back with the corset style, which I love. I find it gives it a little leeway, especially, you know, if it's not exact for your measurements. Like, I like when they add in material where it'll give it a bit of leeway. The other arm sleeve, it looks so pretty. Like, the edging on this pink is super detailed. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh, Merlin big stretch. So cute. Oh my gosh. So these straps go like up. Oh my gosh. And then like there's like some accessories that would clip, like the bow that had the stabby thing would clip. And then like it has like that thick brown band that goes there, and this seems so puffy. Plus I have a petticoat now too, so everything can be extra fluff if I want. Oh, but I love these flowers down here. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. All right, well, that's everything in that plastic container in that haul. I don't know if I can pick a favorite from just looking at it. It might depend on what it looks like on me, how I feel like for that character. This dress for Yoshiko is so adorable and fluffy, and I really love frilly things, and it's just really cute. But I've wanted to cosplay Megumin for like ever, and she's just like explosions. Like I don't know how else to describe her. But like everything else looks so beautiful as well. I love space and stars, so the Constellation Nozomi is gorgeous as well. I just really think that they're all beautiful cosplays, and I can't wait to try them on. And I might make more detailed videos on individual cosplays, especially if anybody is interested on, you know, how a certain one fits. Like if you're thinking of getting it, I might eventually get to all of them, but if there's any suggestions, I'll start with those ones first for videos. So like I said earlier, I'm streaming on Twitch. I have a giveaway going on. All the links to all of that will be in the description box. It'll be labeled hopefully clearly enough. If you have any questions at all though, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye! Way. Nope. Oh my gosh, turn him more, his paws are out. Oh, baby.